Guys, welcome to my channel, Duchess Monument. In today's video, I want to share with you guys how to set up your Linktree account. I will definitely give you like a step-to-step method to do this, so you don't have to worry. So let's jump right into the video. Make sure you watch to the end the whole process. Okay, it's going to be like a full tutorial video where I'm going to show you my screen and I'm going to explain it. So let's jump right into the video, guys. Hi guys, welcome to Duchess Management. In this channel, what we'll be sharing is videos on social media management, tips and tricks for social media managers, YouTube, to mention a few. Videos are uploaded every Wednesday, so please subscribe. Hi guys, my name is Kadi and this is Duchess Management. If you are a new subscriber, you're welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back to my channel. So in this video, I want to share with you guys how to set up your Linktree from scratch, putting your links, adding image, to mention a few. So in case you don't know what Linktree is a platform whereby you can put in all your social media presence and all that you offer in a link. Okay, so it's like a portfolio that is done, but a link in a link form, whereby you link all your social media presence, you link all your works, you link possible things that you want people to see, and then you can share it out with people so that they can see it. So Linktree helps you track people that have visited your website through LinkedIn, people that have visited your social media platform through LinkedIn, to mention a few. So I make use of to my clients. I use it to send people that want to book a social media manager or that wants to work with me for my YouTube videos. So all in all, it's a portfolio. It's a portfolio that you can use and share to people, a digital link that has all your portfolios, all the information in it. So guys, let's jump right into creating your Linktree and setting it up. I will share my screen with you so that you can see what I'm talking about in this video. So guys, the first thing I think you should do is to search for Linktree on Google. That is what I've done. I've searched for Linktree on Google, so it showed me the different type of Linktree platform. So I pick the one, I click on it, and then I click on Linktree. It brings me here, and I click on Get Started. So Get Started is me trying to open and sign up for my Linktree account, and we can see that once we click that, it takes us to this place, sign up for your Linktree account. Okay, and the whole procedure has started. You have to click on your email, you put your username, you put your password, and then you have to repeat password, as you can see me do. So guys, you have to put in the password that you will not forget, and then you have to put another password, like repeat the password, and then after repeating the password, you go ahead to click on register. When you click on register, it takes you to Get Started. So Get Started is just simply you telling about yourself, what is your name, and the 3 categories that you think best describes you. So we have the music category, comedy, brand, creative, influencer, government, actor, like different areas. So you just have to pick that which you are fine with. So apparently this link I'm making is for my main brand, so it covers like everything I've been doing. And so I click on I'm not a robot to prove that I am not a robot, and I go ahead to save details, guys. So my podcast is Knox View Podcast, you can check it out. So I'm going to continue with the free version. We can see all the benefits. So if you have $6 per month, you can go ahead to click on that. So it tells you thank you for signing up. You have to accept your email, which you have to go to your email to do. Okay, so now I want to add links. So it's really simple. The first thing is, what area of the link do you want to add? So now I want to add link to my Instagram, my personal Instagram. So I have to click Kadishi personal Instagram, that is the title, and I go ahead to go to Instagram and to search for my Instagram link. You can see me, I've searched for my Instagram link, and I'll go ahead to copy it. After copying it, I put it there for the link, that's the part for the link, and I put it there, and then I save. So if you want to set up a thumbnail for your profile, you can click on set thumbnail and upload profile. So you can either select from your Instagram page, or you can select from Google Drive, or you can select from Facebook. and this is me selecting from Instagram, because that is where, you know, I want to use. So you have to click on allow to make use of it. So I have a full video explaining how to, you know, set up your profiles on Linktree. You can check my channel. I have different videos on social media management. You can check it out here. Okay, so this is just me selecting a profile I want for my Instagram page on Linktree. So guys, I hope this video has helped you, you know, set up your Linktree account. Thank you for watching. Do remember to like, to share, to subscribe, to the notification button. I'll see you amazing people in my next video. Okay, so it's not compulsory to select a profile if you can't, but that is fine. Thank you.